Hi, this is Abdul Kalam. Today we are going to see aptitude preparation kit. Okay, this will be useful for all competitive exams. Okay, we will be discussing some shortcuts which will be useful for all the exams, whichever you are going to appear. The first question: a sum of money amounts to rupees 6,690 after 3 years and to 10,035 after 6 years on compound interest. Find the sum. Usually we will go with formula P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Okay, something like minus P, something like that. But how to do this question without a formula? Okay. So just divide the two numbers 10,035 divided by 6,690. The value is 3 by 2. So P into 3 by 2 is 6690. So once you solve, P equal to 4460. Okay. Hence the sum is 4460, 4460. Sum is principal. 10 men and 10 women are there. They dance with each other. Is there a possibility of 2 men are dancing with the same woman and vice versa? I just want you to just imagine and answer this question. 10 men and 10 women are there. They dance with each other. Yes? Your answer is never. Yes, correct. Because they are clearly given they dance with each other. So 2 men dancing with same woman, not possible. Okay? A simple question, but it needs some logical thinking to solve this type of question. Answer maybe, cannot be determined, or never. Okay, shall we go for the next question? In a lottery, there are 10 prizes and 25 blanks. A lottery is drawn at random. What is the probability of getting a prize? What is 10 plus 25? 35. So n of s equal to 35. The question is asked, what is the probability of getting a prize? How many prizes are there? 10 prizes are there. So we know that n of s equal to 35. So answer will be P of getting a prize equal to P of a by n of s, that is 10 by 35. 10 and 35, they have 5 in common. So 10 divided by 5 and 35 divided by 5, you will get 2 by 7. So answer is 2 by 7. Okay. Shall we go for the next question? If log 0.318 equal to 0.3364, log 0.317 equal to 0.33320, what is log 0.319? Actually, once you observe this continuous process, you can understand that log 0.319 is nothing but the previous value. What is the previous value? Log 0.318 plus the difference between the log 0.318 minus log 0.317. That difference. Okay, that difference if you add, you will end up with the answer 0.3376. Okay, very simple question, isn't it? Okay, thanks for watching this video.